Hey friends, today I want to show you something that would take nature 100 years to create. It all begins deep in the forest. Dead leaves and tiny organisms slowly break down over time. Fallen trees and tiny organisms slowly break down over time. It's not just dirt. This natural decay creates a dark, rich substance. It's the result of centuries of transformation. From life to decay to nutrition. It's called humic acid. Today we can bottle this forest magic and bring it to our homes. Just a few drops in water, or some of the powder in water, and your houseplants will love you forever. Humic acid is a natural growth booster. It helps roots absorb more nutrients. It keeps the soil moist for longer. It makes plants stronger against drought and diseases. For indoor plants, it gives greener leaves and faster growth. Real humic acid is dark brown to black. It feels light and soft like forest soil. It smells like wet leaves after rain. It dissolves in water, turning it dark brown with no heavy sediment. Pure and natural, just like nature made it. Your plant is smiling now. It says, "Thank you." Have you ever used humic acid before? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget, share with your friends, to like and subscribe. Until next time, take care of yourself and your plants.